Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get the viral Total Drama Island filter on TikTok. So if you want to create the Total Drama Island trend video on TikTok, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store. So go ahead and search it. So this is what the app looks like, CapCut. So go ahead and download that. Now once that's downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. Here in TikTok app, you want to go ahead and search for the following account, Test the Simple Dad. Now go on users, and this is the account you're looking for, Test the Simple Dad. Now within that account here, in the video section, go ahead and tap on the Total Drama Island filter, tap on that. And here you need to find CapCut Cartoon Filter. So go ahead and tap on this. This will show you the template which you're going to use. So this will basically turn your photo into a Total Drama Island character. So to use this, go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. Go ahead and select a photo, then tap Next. And now let CapCut apply the AI effect on it. And now once the effect has been applied, as you can see, it'll show you a preview. Once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on Export at the top right, then Export without a watermark. And now this will take you straight to TikTok and will show you the video which you've created. So now you can go ahead and post this video to your TikTok account. So there you go guys, that is how to get the viral Total Drama Island filter on TikTok. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.